Hello, everyone. This is Tina Karagulian, Black Rose Arts and Press. How are you doing this Thursday? I hope everyone is doing well. Just decided to finish a poem. That's what took a little bit of time today, and I think I'm going to share it first. It's about, well, listen up. Will you dance with me? Will you say yes to add your light? Our pinpoints become shafts of light growing exponentially. Enter in the quiet surrender that sustains every tiny crevice, inside every cell, inside every grain of earth, inside every creative urge. Together, we bend and blend, becoming prisms that glow and blaze a new road. Shimmer through the flutter of every wing, the beaming of every face, weaving together hearts in broken space and place. Your light is needed. Walk into this unknown, this dance. Say yes. So, I hope that this day you find an opportunity to get quiet and go within and see what wants to be in the presence of your own heart. Just kind of breathe there. Maybe do some long, deep breathing and feel that space. Sometimes we need time to just be still and see what is trying to come through our own hearts. As everybody knows, this creative process is one that you have your quiet time, you have your fallow time where it doesn't seem like anything's moving, but something's germinating. And then there's a point where it flies. But each step of the way, you're being asked to be present to be awake for, to sit, to say yes to that dance. And you never know what that dance will look like. Sometimes it just is a sitting with some part of you, or sitting with another person in the world in a way that's gentler, hopefully, and more compassionate. And sometimes it means making a bolder step in somewhere place that you've never been to, and you're like, ooh, I've never been here before. What happens now? And you just kind of see what happens. But you take a step, even in the discomfort of that. And then you fly and you meet other people together in that dance. And that's a beautiful thing, because we need each other. We really do, in the sense that together, when we come together, something grows. It's like one and one makes four, you know. It's your light and my light, and together we create this whole other light that has a new depth to it that we don't imagine. So getting together, even in all the ways that we do, where we can really be our true light, is very important. So find a way to do that today, in any way that makes you happy, in any way that lights you up, because it adds something important to our community, to our world. So give yourself that permission and that light. And I also wanted to share a bird, because in that sense of dancing in the light and the flutter of wing, this bullfinch just wanted to say hi, and so I thought I would share that with you. You can kind of really take a look at it up close. See where your eye goes. Maybe look into the eye of the bird. I just love painting birds. I don't know why that is, but I think there's just an ease there. They just really do teach us to just fly, to just sing, to just be in this very beautiful way. And when I paint them, I actually feel that coming from them, this ease, like, hey, this is how you can step into the dance. This is how you can move in the world. And so give yourself that into your body, in your movement, in your writing, in your painting, in your maybe your sewing, in your quilt making, in your gardening, in your everyday task of making a meal. Uh, call in the birds. Yeah, say help me do this together, so we can co-create this together. And give yourself the gentleness that is so needed in this time. Well, I hope that you do something creative for yourself. And this is also a time that we honor mothers of the world. And so let me just show you Divine Mother behind me. She is the mother of all mothers. She represents Mother Earth, Divine Mother, Mother Mary, many mother goddesses and other traditions. Um, the mother in each man and woman that's out there. A really loving and mothering presence. And so I wanted to just acknowledge her, honor her, and all the mothers, and all those who have not been mothered in the ways they've needed, that they may find in their creativity a way to mother themselves, be with others in a way, in community, because together we can touch those broken spaces and places and find something new growing beautifully and organically. So I ask blessings for all of us as we walk this road together, we dance this road together, to say yes in each day with such courage that we do. Thank you so much for showing up in your life, in the ups and the downs, and allowing your heart to continue to stay open. So blessings, blessings, blessings until next week. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take care.